morning. So today we will discuss the practical number 1. The title of the practical number 1 is profile summary of a successful entrepreneur. Now first of all we have to understand what is meant by entrepreneur. Majority of the time I have seen people confusing it with a business person. Businessman or businesswoman is different as compared to entrepreneur. Intrapreneur and entrepreneur, these two things are different, that we will discuss later. First of all, let us understand what is meant by entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is the one who works on a new idea. Nobody has ever tried it yet. Such idea, innovative idea, he or she comes up with and starts working on it, launches it and makes it a business empire. That is what is called startup. So entrepreneur is not a businessman. Businessman is the one who is doing his established business. For example, there are so many people who sell marble outside. There are so many people who sell books. But the person who comes up with something new, for example, for the first time when the person came up with digital copy of a book, that was something innovative. So for the first time, the person who used this idea and who sold e-copies, he or she is the one entrepreneur. I hope you understand now. But once the idea is used by so many people, it becomes a business for everyone. For example, right now there are so many people, they give you like free delivery, online delivery, Uber, Ola, Rapido. Initially, the first person who launched it, utilized it for the first time, maybe in India or abroad, he or she was the entrepreneur. But the same idea was taken by so many people and now they have made it as business. Got it? So this is what the difference between major differences. There are so many differences, like for the entrepreneurs there is less risk because he is the one who is working on that idea. Sometimes it is less risk, less competition, but there is higher risk also, because the businessman, he does the business which is already set up, maybe set up by your parents, and you simply carry it forward. But entrepreneur is the one who takes the risk, tries something new, and he or she doesn't know whether it will work. There are so many startups, they start and they close. Reason? It didn't work. They didn't work. But the person becomes the entrepreneur because he started working on something new. That is what entrepreneurship is, and the person is entrepreneur. I hope the meaning of entrepreneur is clear now. It is not a business person, right? The idea can become a business later on. For example, initially we came up with this phone pay and Paytm and all, but Mr. Ashir Grover, he is the one who came up with Bharat Pay, that UPI payment. So doesn't matter if you have phone pay and the vendor is having Paytm, you can simply scan it and get it, because all payments are now clubbed together. So he is an entrepreneur. He is an entrepreneur. So this is how this concept of this marriage. Initially we used to request our seniors that they used to engage the people, but now, right now, if you are eligible bachelor, you simply upload your profile and then you get the so many would-be brides and grooms, you get it, like shadi.com, jeevansati.com. So Mr. Mittal is the one who started with that, so he became an entrepreneur. But right now it's a business, because there are so many platforms which provide that service, right? Matrimonial service. So entrepreneur is the one who is innovative. He works on a new concept which has not been tried yet by someone, so his risk is higher. But entrepreneur is the one who reaps the benefits, initial benefits, because he or she is the one who launched it. For example, Zomato, Swiggy, they came up with a different idea. Uber, Ola. Uber is international, but Ola is started, and the owner of this Ola is Indian person. Fine. So initially you reap the benefits, and there are so many startups. You come up with your idea, you begin that particular concept, and later on the big giant, they are ready to buy it, to purchase it, and there are so many people, they sell their new idea like this, right? And they earns in crores. So you have that scope too. So what you need to do in practical number 1 is profile summary of a successful entrepreneur. Entrepreneur means the first person who came up with a new idea, he made it big. He made it big. For example, Blinkit. Blinkit means 10 to 15 minutes, and whatever grocery item you ask for, it is available at your doorstep. They came up with this idea by observation. They knew in metropolitan cities like Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, people are continuously working and they don't have that much of time to go in the market, supermarket, and buy the grocery. And sometimes if you go to supermarket or order online, then you need to come up with the bulk items. But whenever you just wake up and you found that there is no sugar in the kitchen, how will you make the tea or coffee? You have this Blinkit available. Just order one single item and it is available. Obviously they charge you, and why not? Because you will go down, you will waste your time, you will become late to your office. Sometimes you will have to take the half day leave, and that will also cost you. Besides time, that will, your efforts will be involved in that. Everything is saved, and for that obviously you are ready to pay some extra bucks, and that is how they earn money. So that's the new concept that they came up with. They observe the market, they observe the needs of the people, and then they came up with something different. So what you need to do, you have to zero in such person from your locality, maybe a small person, not a big giant. The big giant may not give you time. You have to approach the person, tell him or her that this is what your practical is, and these are the points on which you will be requiring the information from the person. Give him in advance, so that when you go and talk to him and interview him, he or she should have at least 1 hour to answer your questions. And in order to make him or her answer your questions, beforehand you have to give these questions to the person, and then only you can get the data. It's not that you just go to that pani puri wala when he is doing some brisk business and tell him, see, I am from Government Polytechnic Thane and that Mr. Ram Patil has given us this task and we are here to ask you some questions about your business venture of pani puri thela. So साहब जी, अभी बिजनेस का टाइम है, धंधे का टाइम है, आप बाद में आइए. He will straight away deny it because he is earning money, and that is the period, maybe 5 to 10 is the period wherein he can mint money. Otherwise the people are busy with their jobs, they may not come to him. So you have to come up, you have to meet the person whenever there is a slack business, request the person. If you know him, go eat some pani puri or sev puri, whatever you want. Approach the person properly, and you have to take his or her interview personally. Every individual will go to different person who is an entrepreneur. Sometimes you may not get any entrepreneur, but if you approach any business person, that will also do, because for the first time the person has tried something, right? So what you need to ask, the first thing is name. Obviously you have to tell. Now name means complete thing, his background and all you have to come up with. Why background and all? Because there are some people, they are born with golden spoon in their mouth. For example, the kids of Ambanis. But there are some people, those who are born and brought up in Mumra, maybe in slum area, they have zero background, zero knowledge, no family business and all. But if such people come up with something new and they start new and they made it successful, such people will definitely give you time, and they will feel appreciated that there is someone who is ready to listen to my struggle. So you go to the person, ask him name, address and his background from which he started. Here you will come to know whether money is really required or something else is required. Don't receive. How he or she started, in whatever condition. Maybe उसके पास खाने पीने के पैसे नहीं थे, खाने पीने के पैसे नहीं थे, वो सिचुएशन बहुत खराब थी, इसीलिए शायद वो बंदे ने ये कर पाया. You understand that? Mr. Manoj Kumar Sharma, the IPS, इतने बुरे हालात थे, लेकिन उन बुरे हालातों ने उसे मोटिवेट किया. सो हियर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ ही और शी स्टार्टेड, इन विच कंडीशन, एंड दैट सिचुएशन विल मेक यू अवेयर कि बिजनेसमैन करना, बिजनेस करना या नया कुछ स्टार्टअप करना, इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू शुड हैव लॉट्स ऑफ मनी इनिशियली. You will realize. But what exactly happened and how he became successful, here you will understand. So you have to ask from that point of view. Then why he or she started it? The observation, as I said. Blinkit was started not randomly. Amazon was not started randomly. They knew that the people are so busy and the big malls, and they are available only in cities. So what about the small towns? Of course, the people have money and they want something else. So one platform. You know why Jio becomes so famous rapidly? And because of Jio, so many online platforms or online businesses become so famous. Right now, so many YouTubers, they are earning in dollars. The reason is this: the platform was made available and they found opportunity over there that I can make money out of this. So Amazon, Flipkart, and there are so many of them, they came up with this. Online e-commerce was possible because they observe the things, they observe the people, their needs, the time, and then they came up with something else. And that's why you have to ask this question: why he or she started this? क्यों? सिर्फ पैसा कमाना था क्या? नहीं. There are some people, they want to prove themselves, they want to do something different, they want to help the society, they want to help their own family, they want to make it big. There are various reasons over here, you will come to know. The next one is, did he or she inherit, or he or she is the initiator? As I said, the kids of Mr. Ambani and Adani, obviously they will inherit everything, but there are some people who are the initiator, and here that is more important. Why? That will inspire you. Out of zero also something can be started. I'll tell you a story of small person, Mr. Raju. I was in Khamgaon city. Mr. Raju is there, and when the Sairat movie was released, at that time, Bullet, the craze of Bullet was there, right? So people bought Bullet, and to maintain Bullet is not everybody's cup of tea, because it is costly affair. It is costly affair. Not only the mileage and all, even the parts and everything. It is very heavy vehicle. Mr. Raju, he was a small time mechanic, but he became so master in maintenance of Bullet that Mr. Raju Bullet was his identity. And let me tell you, because of that, he could buy 7 acres of piece of land around Kharamgaon city, which is very costly. 7 acres means it must have cost him more than 70 lakhs. More than 70 lakhs. We can't dream of it. The people who stay here and having that white collar job, they simply buy one house of 50 lakhs and pay it for 20 years. And the person, Mr. Raju, who became a specialist mechanic and he started his own garage over there, he could purchase 7 acres of land, and now he had his plans to open one good big showroom for all four-wheelers and two-wheelers and all. What he did, though he became the businessman, but he started, he dared. So you have to understand this first of all, right? Because if everybody asks for the job, there has to be someone to give job, isn't it? Yesterday I think we had a Shark Talk over there. Were you there yesterday? The students came up with some raw and rough ideas, but at least they came up something. देखो, we have to attend such events, क्योंकि छोटी से छोटी चीज भी है ना, आप में बदलाव ला सकती है. मैंने कल एक एग्जाम्पल कोट किया था मनोज कुमार शर्मा का ही, जो उसने देखा कि कुछ लोग ईमानदार होते हैं. डीएसपी जो दुष्यंत सिंह है, वो काफी ईमानदारी से उसकी मदद करता है. उनका जो ऑटो रिक्शा था, वो जुगाड़ था, वो छुड़ाने के लिए. देयर ही आस्क्ड वन क्वेश्चन कि सर, मैं आपके जैसे बनना चाहता हूं. वेयर एज हिज ब्रदर फोर्सेस हिम कि अपने जुगाड़ यानी ऑटो रिक्शा के बारे में बोल, जो कि कॉन्फिस्केट करके लिया है, रिलीज इट सो दैट वी कैन अर्न समथिंग. अगर दुष्यंत सिंह ने वो रिलीज करके दिया होता तो शायद वो रिक्शा ही चलाता रहता, लेकिन उसने सवाल क्या पूछा? जुगाड़ के बारे में नहीं पूछा. ही आस्क्ड कि मैं आपके जैसे बनना चाहता हूं, क्या करना होगा? तो दुष्यंत सिंह ने मेरे जैसा लेक्चर दिया. क्या? व्हाट ही सेड? आसान है, बस चीटिंग छोड़नी पड़ेगी. एंड simple sentence changes his whole life, and he does so up to the moment he faces the interview, the big interview of his life to become an IPS. When he is asked, भाई 12th में तुम फेल हो गए थे, तो बोलता हाँ फेल हो गया था. He admits it. Whereas the pune who escorts him over there, उसको बोलता है वेल विशर करके कि ऐसा मत बोलना कि तू फेल हो गया, तुझे रिजेक्ट कर देगा. And he was about rejected, but his honesty pays over there, thanks to Mr. Dushyant Singh, who seeded one sentence that ईमानदारी से काम करना पड़ेगा और चीटिंग छोड़नी पड़ेगी. एंड व्हेन ही वाज आस्क्ड इन द इंटरव्यू कैसे फेल हो गए, तो वो सीधे बोल दिया कि चीटिंग नहीं चली. बिकॉज वो व्यवस्था ही वैसी है वहां पे. एंड दैट इज हाउ ही सेज, अगर मुझे चांस मिल गया ना, क्योंकि आईआईटी और आईआईएम से जो आए ना वो तो बनी बनी व्यवस्था की ही पार्ट है. मैं ऐसी व्यवस्था से आया हूं, डिप्राइव्ड हूं, तो मुझे पता है एग्जैक्टली उसका इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है. एंड दैट इज वेयर ही गेट्स सिलेक्टेड. दैट इज वेयर ही गेट्स सिलेक्टेड. सो यू नेवर नो. तो ऐसे जो इवेंट्स होते हैं, यू नीड टू बी देयर. सही वक्त पे सही इंसान का मिलना और सही मैसेज मिलना, वो भी एक लक होता है. इट्स अ डेस्टिनी. इट्स अ डेस्टिनी. ऑलराइट. What problems or challenges he faced? Instead of asking problems, you can ask him challenges. Challenges आसान नहीं है. अगर आपने बाहर ठेला भी लगाना शुरू कर दिया ना यहाँ पे, तो सबसे पहले वहां पे लोकल गवर्नमेंट के लोग आएंगे, ये इलीगल है, ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, लाइसेंस है क्या तेरे पास? नंबर 1 चैलेंज. नंबर 2 चैलेंज, अच्छा चलो ठीक है, मैं लाइसेंस के लिए अप्लाई करूंगा. क्या करना पड़ेगा? फिर कभी कभी घूस भी देनी पड़ेगी, जो कि आपके पास है नहीं. पता ही नहीं होता. मैं तो इलिटरेट हूं, मुझे तो पता नहीं कि कहां से जाना है, कहां पे गवर्नमेंट के इसमें एप्लीकेशन करना है, कौन से डॉक्यूमेंट्स लगाने हैं और कब लाइसेंस लेना है. और लाइसेंस मिलने के बाद भी मुझे फुटपाथ पे या किसी कॉर्नर में जगह मिलेगी कि नहीं मिलेगी, उसके भी वादे हैं. चलो मिल भी गया, समझो मैंने इलीगली कर दिया, मैंने कुछ मैनेज कर दिया, किसी को हफ्ता दे दिया. लोकल कॉर्पोरेटर से लेके गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल तक सबके प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं, सबके तकलीफें होती है. यू कैन आस्क द पर्सन हु आर जस्ट डूइंग इट ऑन देयर ओन विदाउट एनी लाइसेंस. यू कैन आस्क देम कि कितने हफ्ते पे करने पड़ते हैं. फिर हमारे इधर बहुत सारे फेस्टिवल्स आते हैं. फिर चंदा, वो चंदा नहीं होता है, एक्सटॉर्शन ही होता है. बहुत सारे झगड़े होते हैं, बहुत सारे खून हो चुके हैं उसमें, कि पैसा नहीं है, ये हमारे पार्टी का है, वो हमारे पार्टी का है, हमारा फेस्टिवल ऐसे होगा, उनका फेस्टिवल ऐसे होगा, इसको भी पैसा दो, उसके भी पैसा दो. दैट इज अ बिजनेस फॉर सम पीपल, राइट? एंड सो मेनी पीपल आर इन्वॉल्व ओवर देयर. तो चैलेंजेस है. यू कैन आस्क हिम, सो दैट व्हेन यू ट्राई समथिंग यू विल बी अवेयर अबाउट द चैलेंजेस. क्योंकि भाई जलती हुई आग में हाथ डालोगे तो वो जल जाएगा. सामने वाला जल रहा है ना, तो हमें ट्राई करने की जरूरत नहीं ना, हमें पहले से पता होना चाहिए. और अगर यहां पे तुम लोग अच्छे से उनको पूछोगे, और आपको वो रिकॉर्ड करनी है वीडियो, आप 2 लोग साथ में जाना है, एक बंदा सवाल पूछेगा, उसके सवाल वो सुनाएगा, और ओटीजी के साथ जाना है, ताकि अच्छे से आपका रिकॉर्डिंग हो और पता चले. और मैं पर्सनली देखने वाला हूं, ये मैं पर्सनली देखने वाला हूं कि आप लोगों ने काम किया. हवा में नहीं है कि आए, कुछ लिख दिया, फॉर्मेलिटी कंप्लीट कर दी, मार्क्स मिल गए 25 में से 20, तुम लोग खुश, क्या टीचर है राम पाटिल, 1 नंबर, कोई तकलीफ नहीं दे रहा. आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, अब बनोगे नहीं. ओके. सो यहां पे आपको चैलेंजेस पे ज्यादा, और चैलेंजेस के बाद उसने क्या किया, रास्ता पता होना है तो आसानी से जा सकते हैं ना. अगर समझो मुझे किसी के घर जाना है, सर मुमरा में आना है आपको, कौसा से उतरो, वहां से लेफ्ट ले लो. फिर अगर रास्ता पता है तो मैं आसानी से आऊंगा, अगर रास्ता पता नहीं है तो कुछ तकलीफें होगी. तो व्हाई नॉट आस्क हिम, क्योंकि वो ऑलरेडी जा चुका है उस रास्ते से. आस्क हिम द सॉल्यूशंस आल्सो. देन हाउ ही और शी बिकम सक्सेसफुल. तो शुरुआत करी, तो कैसे प्रॉफिट बढ़ा, कैसे ब्रांचेस बढ़ाई, कैसे वैरायटी बढ़ाई. क्योंकि अभी एक कंट्री डिलाइट करके एक है, जो शुरू में सिर्फ दूध बेचते थे. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, पूरा कोकोनट स्टार्ट कर दिया, और कोकोनट स्टार्ट करने के कारण उनका बिजनेस अच्छे से बढ़ गया. यू नो दैट. और कोकोनट के जो भी फार्मर्स हैं उनको भी अच्छा बेनिफिट मिल रहा है. वो रेडीमेड आपको सुबह सुबह आपको कोकोनट तैयार करके देता है, ओपनर भी देता है उसके साथ. और जो कि बहुत सारे लोग हेल्थ कॉशियस हो गए आफ्टर कोरोना, उनको पता है कि आजकल सभी चीजों में मिलावट है सिवाय कोकोनट वाटर. तो लोगों का विश्वास है उस पर, एंड इट हैज दैट बेनिफिट्स, न्यूट्रिएंट्स एंड ऑल मिनरल्स. तो लोग वो खरीद रहे हैं. तो उनको लगा कि भाई खाना पीना तो लोगों को लगेगा ही, तो उन्होंने पूरा ग्रोसरी आइटम्स भी देने शुरू कर दिया. So this is how they flourished and progressed. So here you have to ask the person how he became successful. कि कुछ नहीं भाई, मैंने शुरू में तो पानी पूरी लगाई, फिर सेव पूरी लगाई, फिर जो भी फूड आइटम्स है वो लगाया, रगड़ा पैटिस लगाया, और आज देखो मैं फेमस हूं. येवले टी स्टॉल की सक्सेस स्टोरी अगर आप सुनोगे तो यू विल रियलाइज कि आज उनकी कितनी सारी फ्रेंचाइजीज है. एंड पीपल डेयर टू से इट्स अमृत तुल्य, whereas tea is harmful to our body, but now it is so famous कि सुबह सुबह हम लोग पानी नहीं पिएंगे लेकिन अमृत तुल्य. right? Get back. So now current status of his or his her business. current status मतलब क्या, अभी कैसे हालात है. अभी आपका टर्नओवर कैसा चल रहा है, कहां कहां पे आपकी फ्रेंचाइजीज हो चुकी है, कितना मैन पावर है आपके पास, कितनी सारी टेक्नोलॉजी का आप इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, अगर टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो तो कौन सी टेक्नोलॉजी का इस्तेमाल कर रहे हो, एवरीथिंग यू गेट हियर एंड यू हैव टू एस्पायर फॉर दिस. देन हिज और हर मैसेज फॉर स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट टू बी एन एंटरप्रेन्योर. तो उनको एक बार पूछना है कि भाई हमारे लिए क्या आपकी राय है कि हम लोग कैसा स्टार्ट करें, क्या स्टार्ट करें, और अगर क्या करना है तो हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, बदलाव हमारी सोच में क्या बदलाव करना पड़ेगा. हियर यू गेट हिज और हर मैसेज. सो बिसाइड्स दिस पॉइंट्स, इफ यू फील कि नहीं मुझे ये भी पूछना जरूरी है, तो आप ऐड कर सकते हो ऑन योर ओन. बट when you go to the person, take his appointment, tell him that these are the things that you want, this is in English, सामने वाला may not understand English, so what you need to do, translate it in Marathi or Hindi or Urdu or whatever language the person is comfortable with, and then in whatever language he wants to respond, let him respond. But when you write down, you write it in, yes, and you should have that proof that you went over there, you recorded the responses of the person, and now you are well versed. By default you will become well versed when you actually go and take the interview of the person. समझ में आई बात? So this is what I want everybody of you to perform in practical number 1, and I bet this would be the best learning lesson of your life. Forget about this classroom teaching and discussion and practical, actually in the world, because that is where you are going to work as an entrepreneur. So you will test the test of reality over here. So do it by heart and by brain and with interest. Thank you so much.